Hermione Granger from Harry Potter isn't Muggle-born. Hold on, let me explain. If you remember right, in the 6th book, Professor Slughorn asked Hermione if she was related to Hector Dugworth Granger, and she told him that she didn't think so because she was a Muggle-born. I think that she is related to him. If you don't know by now, there are 3 types of humans in Harry Potter. Number 1, you have your witches and wizards like Harry, Hermione, Ron, Dumbledore, and so on. You then have your muggles, which are known as the normal humans and non-magic folk, just like me and you unfortunately. And then finally we have squibs. And there's only a few squibs that are actually shown in live action in the Harry Potter world, and that is Professor Filch, Arabella Figg, and some fans like myself do speculate that Jacob Kowalski is also a squib. Now squibs are non-magical folk, as in people who can't use magic but born from a magical family or magical parents. Now this doesn't have to be a succession, it can come later down the line, as in you can have your parents and grandparents and great-grandparents being non-magical, but then their parents were magic. So a squib is a person who is born from magical parents but has no magic powers or ability, but can also see everything that witches and wizards can. But as we know, muggles can't because muggles don't see anything. But that brings the question, how exactly in the Chamber of Secrets can Hermione's parents go into Diagon Alley and see everything and communicate with witches and wizards if they are in fact muggles? It wouldn't be possible. However, this theory does work as if they are squibs, and Hector D. Granger could have been an ancestor of Hermione's. Hector may have gotten married to a witch, but their children could have been squibs. There may have been a very long line of squibs in the Granger family tree. And after that, the family could have almost all the knowledge of magic. With all these past years of knowledge, could actually make sense of why Hermione is such a great student and knows so much more than people like Ron, who have been in the magical world their whole lives. Leading to Hermione and her parents not knowing about Hogwarts until it was the time for Hermione to actually get her acceptance letter. I mean heck, Hermione was probably the first magical person in generations of the Granger family. So with all this information, that would make her not necessarily Muggle-born, but it would make her Squib-born. What do you guys think of this theory? Is Hermione Squib-born and not Muggle-born? I mean, I do think it is quite obvious that the parents aren't necessarily full Muggles because they are in Diagon Alley and communicating with the other wizards. But what do you guys think? Please leave your comments below, like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.